Direct replacement. This blower motor resistor and harness kit directly replaces the original equipment on select vehicle years, makes and models. Complete kit. Each kit comes with a resistor and harness pigtail, which is essential for most repairs. Restores functionality, made to perform like original equipment to restore full HVAC operation. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of engineers and quality specialists in the USA. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This HVAC blower motor resistor kit includes a resistor and harness pigtail to replace an overheated or corroded original equipment resistor on certain vehicles. Top reviews from the United States. Better quality than GM but need a file to enlarge hole in heater box. This product is of high quality compared to the OEM unit which failed in this 2004 Savannah, identically to how the OEM one failed in my Yukon. GM used a cheap circuit board with steel staples as resistors, and they caused the circuit board to fall apart and the two low speeds failed. Not so with this Dorman unit, computer-grade resistors. I bought this unit B, C. It had a 6-pin pigtail for only $2 to $3 more than those with O. Amazon said it fit the 2004 3500 Savannah and it almost did. Those quality resistors were larger and I had to file the hole larger, 1/8 inch at the front and 1/4 inch at the rear. Otherwise it mounted, sealed to box, and connected electrically perfectly.